अभी एक फैशन हो गया है, आम्बेडकर 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 आम्बेडकर। इतना नाम अगर भगवान का लेते तो 7 जन्मों तक स्वर्ग मिल जाता। सरकार की विदेश नीति से मैं असहमत हूं और आर्टिकल 370 से मैं असहमत हूं। इसलिए वो छोड़ना चाहते थे, उनको आश्वासन दिया गया, आश्वासन पूरा नहीं हुआ, उन्होंने इग्नोरेंस के चलते इस्तीफा दे दिया।
Namaskar, I am Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. Theatrics in the Indian Parliament culminated on Friday with two names being jostled around the most, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Amit Shah. These names became a heated topic of debate throughout the session, fueled largely by the Congress party. Congress, notorious for its repeated attempts to tarnish centre's image, protesting on streets and in parliament based on fabricated claims. A maneuvered clip of Amit Shah is doing rounds on social media. Using this altered video, the Congress party has been accusing Amit Shah of insulting Dr. Ambedkar. Other factions of the India Alliance like the Aam Aadmi Party, Bhim Army, BSP and even Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh have also joined the protests. However, no one seems to be interested in understanding the truth. The truth of that clip is that it is incomplete, with only a small excerpt being shown. The claim that Amit Shah or the BJP insulted Dr. Ambedkar was entirely orchestrated. The ungiving protests, which remain the highlight for the entirety of the winter session, led to zero agendas being fulfilled. Ironically, it is the Indian National Congress that has categorically disrespected Ambedkar on multiple instances. The maneuvered video of the Home Minister is just another political tool for Congress. Let us first watch the purported video, which is at the center of this commotion.
अभी एक फैशन हो गया है, आम्बेडकर 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 आम्बेडकर। इतना नाम अगर भगवान का लेते तो 7 जन्मों तक स्वर्ग मिल जाता। अच्छी बात है ना सुनिए तो, आप सुनिए ना, मैं बताता हूं। हमें तो आनंद है कि आम्बेडकर का नाम लेते हैं। आम्बेडकर का नाम अभी 100 बार ज्यादा लो, परंतु 7-8 में आम्बेडकर जी के प्रति आपका भाव क्या है ये मैं बताता हूं। आम्बेडकर जी को देश की पहली कैबिनेट से इस्तीफा क्यों दे दिया? आम्बेडकर जी ने कई बार कहा कि अनुसूचित जातियों और जनजातियों से हुए व्यवहार से मैं असंतुष्ट हूं। सरकार की विदेश नीति से मैं असहमत हूं और आर्टिकल 370 से मैं असहमत हूं। इसलिए वो छोड़ना चाहते थे, उनको आश्वासन दिया गया, आश्वासन पूरा नहीं हुआ, उन्होंने इग्नोरेंस के चलते इस्तीफा दे दिया।
After watching the video, it is clear that Shah is being targeted unjustifiably. Many of the Congress leaders posted the video on their social media. Consequently, these leaders have received notices from the platform. Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi has exposed Congress's lies. PM Modi tweeted, saying, "If Congress thinks they can hide their misdeeds, especially their historical disrespect towards Dr. Ambedkar by spreading lies, they are mistaken." He shared a list highlighting Congress's actions against Ambedkar. Defeating Ambedkar not once but twice in elections. Nehru campaigned against him and made his defeat a matter of political pride. Refusing to confer Bharat Ratna to Dr. Ambedkar. Failing to honor Dr. Ambedkar with a portrait in the Central Hall of Parliament. PM Modi emphasized that Congress was in power for decades but did nothing substantial for empowerment of SC and ST communities. The Hindu Code Bill controversy is another glaring example. In the 1940s, Dr. Ambedkar drafted the Hindu Code Bill to ensure women's rights in Hindu society. While some Congress leaders like Nehru and Sardar Patel supported parts of the bill, others like Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Bal Gangadhar Tilak opposed it. This led to conflict between Ambedkar and Congress. On March 19, 1955, Dr. Ambedkar expressed his desire to burn the Indian Constitution, frustrated by its failure to provide sufficient rights and protections for Dalits and backward classes. His dissatisfaction stemmed from the lack of reforms, which Congress ignored during its regime. This frustration even led to Ambedkar resigning from the first cabinet. Defending Amit Shah, PM Modi said that the BJP government worked tirelessly to develop the 5 iconic places associated with Dr. Ambedkar, known as Panchatirth. He also wrote about long-pending issue of Chaitya Bhumi and ensured proper development. He said that he personally visited these sites to offer prayers. It is evident that Congress and opposition parties are spreading misinformation using a manipulated clip of Amit Shah's speech in Parliament to malign the government. This isn't the first instance. Congress has done similar things in the past, including sharing a false video clip of Amit Shah regarding the reservation issue. This incident demonstrates Congress's desperation ahead of elections. Without substantive issues to discuss, Congress is resorting to conspiracies to defame the BJP. This is just one example of the many instances that reveal Congress's anti-national agenda. Jai Hind.